Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to launch multiple Roblox accounts on the exact same PC at the same time. This requires a specific Microsoft tool to bypass the single instance limit. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. First, we need a safe tool from Microsoft that lets us see what your computer is doing behind the scenes. Exit out of Roblox completely. Open your web browser and search for Process Explorer. Click on the official Microsoft page result. Click Download Process Explorer to get the zip file. Drag the zip file to your desktop, right-click it, and select Extract All. Now we need to run the tool with permission to modify running programs. Open the extracted folder and find the application file, usually named proxexp or PEXP. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This is critical. Move that window to the side and now open your first Roblox player instance. You don't need to join a game yet, just have the app open. Here's the magic step. We are going to tell your computer that Roblox isn't actually running, so it lets you open another one. In Process Explorer, search for or find Roblox Player Beta.exe in the list. If you don't see a bottom panel, click View at the top, select Lower Pane View, and make sure Handles is ticked. In that bottom list, scroll down until you see a handle named Roblox Singleton Event. Right-click on that specific event and select Close Handle. Click Yes to confirm. The line will turn red and disappear. Now that the lock is removed, you can freely open more windows. Simply click your Roblox player icon again to open a second window. On this new window, go to More, then Log Out, and sign in with your second account. Note, signing into the second account might auto-log out your first window. If that happens, just log back into the first window again. You can now join different games on each window simultaneously. And that's it. You can repeat this process to open 3 or even 4 accounts if your computer can handle it. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.